Yo soy Paola
Y yo soy María.
y les vamos a mostrar cómo hacer arepas paso a paso.
Okay, so the ingredients you're going to need is hot water and white cornmeal flour, salt, in a bowl. First step, you're going to pour the water in the bowl. Now we're going to add 2 cups of corn flour to the bowl. Next step, we're going to mix with our hands, and depending on the texture, you can add either more corn flour or more water. This is the texture you're going to need your dough to be so we can roll the dough into balls. Once you have your bowl rolled up, you're going to put it down and pat it down until it's a perfect round circle, like this. Now we're going to need a grill, and we have it at 250, and we're going to put our arepa in. Hear that sizzle? When 7 to 10 minutes pass, you can flip them. Once we flip it to the other side again, once they're ready, you can go ahead and take them out. Now we're going to cut open the arepa in half, and we're going to put butter inside. We're going to spread it evenly and making sure we get all the corners. My personal favorite arepa is with egg and mozzarella cheese.